My fault. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at 400 RC Raceway for the HB Challenge 2026. We've been here for 2 days. We're on the second day heading into the mains right now. Yesterday we did a seeding round and a qual round under the lights, and then today we've done Q2 and Q3, and now we're heading into the mains. So, EBuggy. This was my best qualifying and seeding I've ever done in an event. I was top 10 in seeding, 4th and 5th through Q1 and Q2, and now after Q3, after everyone's kind of pushed it and got their best runs in, out of the qual points, best 2 of 3, I'm sitting 8th. So I get a P8 start on the grid with the Techno EB48 going out on probably Proline whole shot softs. I do have a Reflex and Super Soft I might decide to do. This will be one of the last races of the day, race 11. I'm gonna run my Truggy on Reflex softs first. I know it's gonna be good, but I'm kind of curious if the EBuggy is going to be all right on this taller pin. This morning it was excellent on this. Best feeling. I just came off my Q3 though, and now it almost feels like it's a little too much block, but I do think it's probably still my best choice is to just stick on this and just drive through it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do unless I make a change, and I'll tell you when we head in the mains. We are heading into the A main in EBuggy. This is the full fat EBuggy. This is not a 40 plus. This is against all the skilled drivers, the fastest young lads that are here. So it's gonna be really hard to get into that top 3, but I'm gonna do my best. This also counts towards the Eastern Crown race 1 of the series. It's a series across 3 different tracks across the whole season, runways per track, and your combined points make up the crown winners. So this is coming down the straightaway. You have to brake from here, you brake over the line, and then you're trying to make this corner, and this is where it's starting to get a little rutted. This here, you're at risk of rolling over, as well as this one here. You jump into here, and then you're trying to make this corner, and there's also a risk of a rut roll over here. This is the first event where I've had almost no marshalling. I thought I was going to get through all the full day into the mains without having a marshal, but in my Q3 of EBuggy I got marshaled twice. I had a bad line and I jumped outside of the bowl. That took a long time marshalling, and then here I did roll it over on a rut. So the track is deteriorating a little bit. You got to watch out for that stuff that wasn't the problem earlier in the day. I have my pretty sweet camp and pit set up here. So the 10x10 easy up just in front of my camper, which is a Clipper 12.0 TD Max, and then towing it with the Jaguar F-Pace SVR. It's a pretty sweet setup. Not quite as compact as the old Vanagon Westphalia was, but this is a heck of a lot faster and a little bit more comfortable. All right, this will be my EBuggy A main. I qualified better than I thought, so I will be starting in P5, not P8. I'm starting in P5. This is the Nitro Truck A main. Finishing up right now. De Mohono in the lead with the yellow wing just ripping. Okay, practice laps. I stayed on the Proline whole shots. We're gonna see if that was a good or a bad decision. Right now, it seems like a good decision. Track's getting more blown out, more dusty. They did not blow it, and it's had no water. So I think the taller pin is actually feeling pretty good. I just have to, oh yeah, we're good. I was afraid it might be a little too loose, like it might spin, but it feels great. Oh, and actually they just did a 30-minute nitro. So with all this dust on track, it's actually good for me. It's an 8-minute main, so I'm going to conserve power here. We're just getting the race sorted out. I'm starting in P5. I've got a lot of fast guys behind me. I usually do not qualify this well. Hopefully everyone's going to respect their position until the middle double, and then you can start passing. It'll make for a cleaner race.
It's going to be Damon, Barrett, Anthony, Justin, Sean, Brian, Carter, Gump, Steve Bowman, Dave Steele, John, Hostel, BK Lee, Curtis, 8-scale electric, Buggy, A main, this show by TCO Tires, 8 minutes in less than 5. Underway, here we go. Clean start, guys. Clean start, clean start. Somebody help out Carter there.
Whoa! Awful bounce by me.
Your leaders coming to that front side right now. Down the straightaway, Damon and Barrett doing battle.
That was my fault. That was a really hurtful mistake.
7 minutes left.
Barrett with some issues in that. Nitro Buggy looking to redeem himself, trying to get this win in Pro Electric. No doubt has the speed to do it. Let's see. Tough against Damon, but these are your top two. Anthony in that third spot. In fourth, and it's Justin. In fourth, and it's Justin Wilson. Brian Keith, top five, and it's all familiar Cup. Oh, Cup gets it wrong.
Oh, the rut.
Familiar Cup. Oh, Cup gets it wrong.
Oh, the rut. You see that? Catch the rut? Damn.
And Carter trying to come back through the pack after a rough start. Somebody help Unc up there. Somebody help him out.
6 minutes left.
All good. Your leader coming up on Rob Blackmore. Rob Blackmore, that's your leader. Yep. Next corner, if you can let them by. Oh, Rob. Thank you.
I'm absolutely blowing this.
When leaders are coming up to you guys, make sure you just give room. It is now Anthony up top.
Sorry.
Horse on the back. Anthony. Laying it down. Oh,
Wow.
laying it down. Oh.
Wow.
Oh no, that was Anthony in all purple. My bad. Sorry. Totally got the color wrong. My apologies. Coming is Anthony.
5 minutes left.
Barrett and Damon doing battle.
Okay, the leaders are coming up on me and then for real.
Good, right. Oh, so close. Keep it clean. These guys have a lot of respect amongst each other. Thank you. Thank you for letting them by. That's awesome. Good sportsmanship. They're doing battle here, coming out on the front straight away. Damon in the HB racing, your leader, yellow wing. Barrett in the all pink, white wing. And Anthony in the familiar, all purple. 4:18 to go. Short course will be up next.
4 minutes left.
To go.
Three minutes left.
I do it all by myself. No one will catch.
Marshall in the back, Marshall in the back. Tim, 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 Tim. Oh, guys.
2 minutes left.
There we go. Not last anymore. Finally.
Off gas. Damo, your leader. Anthony in second. Oh, yeah, Anthony in second. Barrett right behind him. Damo going to the hip turn right now.
Starting to reel some.
Damo, your leader.
1 minute
Anthony
left.
Barrett, nothing in it with
Last
a
minute,
minute
and
to
finally
go.
got some people in my
fourth,
sights.
Brian. In fifth, Carter, top 5 now. Dave Steele in that 6th spot. John Halsell, 7th. Steve Bowman, 43-2 out of Steve Bowman last time by.
45 seconds left.
Justin Wilson, BK Lee, John Kennedy, and Curtis. 30 seconds to go.
30 seconds left.
$38.5 out of Barrett Morrow. Fast lap of the
15
race.
seconds left.
Right now he's trying to get Anthony. Keep going, everybody. Keep going.
Brian Steele done. David Malone done.
Damo taking the win in Pro Electric.
Stuart Senior done.
Brian, you're done. Brian taking 4th. Carter, top 5. James Steele in the 6th spot.
Anthony Bishamber done.
Whoa.
Bear done.
Barrett, you're done. Okay. Anthony in 2nd.
John
Barrett
Halsell done.
3rd.
Justin Wilson done.
Top 3.
Bowman done.
Interview quickly. Top 3, guys. Top 3.
Damon.
Damo, Anthony, and Barrett. Top
Steve
3.
Brady done. John Kennedy done.
Oh, that was
Twice in
All drivers are
life.
finished. Curtis Buxton done.
Once here or job done?
that was unfortunate race for me. From 5th to last for most of that, and then finishing I think 11 out of 12. Anyway, that's how it goes sometimes. I just really couldn't make it up. The tire choice that I made was not ideal and a little bit hard to hold on to once it would start to rotate. Anyway, that's how it goes. It was fun, but everyone in this race was super fast and I couldn't catch anyone until they made some egregious mistakes. Alright guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.